and welcome to Artax Food channel. Today we had a strategy to catch this fish and then prepare our great catch by delving in culinary predilection. Enjoy my channel and watch this, one of many food videos. So I'm going to clean this carp and then we're gonna do barbecue later in this beautiful, my brand new barbecue I built it recently. Marinating fish, I have dried bazilica, paprika, salt, ground pepper, dry ground pepper, spicy, black pepper, garlic, onion, and 2 lemons. Those are very good lemons. So, ladies and gentlemen, marinade is ready. And okay guys, so we are ready for side dish salad, and those are ingredients we have here: butter, lemon, paprika again, basil, salt, dry spicy pepper, and then garlic, black pepper, basil, tomatoes, all this stuff. And here guys, how our fire is going to be ready, and I would like to cook our veggies, especially those, on direct fire. Bell pepper, direct fire, a little bit here, like that. But you don't try this at home, okay? I'm good with this. And here guys, how are you gonna see this? It's so direct on the fire. The time our veggies are cooking on direct fire, I'm gonna skewer our marinated fish. Ah, smells like a heaven. So you take the shampoo or shish. You remember I left all the bones inside, and then skin down. Just go through the fish. Measure your barbecue size. It'll be like this. And then you see this one? See this one is bone inside. It's gonna keep the moisture in perfect condition. But you have to learn it how to eat. And then there is another one right here. Go from this side up to this side. So here, this is ready. Just leave it right here. And then next, here guys, you see it's supposed to be like this, almost charcoaly, so almost like this. This one is ready. Okay. This one is ready. Tomato needs a little bit more. Ready. And then you just take the plastic back. Take the plastic back and just put it inside. Don't worry, it's not gonna burn. It's not gonna make a hole. The veggies are ready, and then fire is ready. I just prepare it. So we're just gonna move this fish, grass carp, to the fire. Also, I put some potatoes here. I was eating, me and my mom today, and then we're gonna donate rest for the neighbors. Yeah, turn the skewers And this is the last one. You just turn it carefully. If there's some onions left, you see it's gonna burn it down. It's gonna go back in the fire. Gonna give you more flavor to the fish. Here guys, almost ready. This is Armenian bread, lavash. You just put it on top of the fish. Make it a little bit. Oh man, you need to smell this. You need to smell this. You need to smell this. I mean, I eat all the type of fish. I like fishing, but this smells like perfect. I'm first time even catch this one. So just grill a little bit this lavash like this. Here guys, almost ready. This is Armenian bread, lavash. You just put it on top of the fish. Make it a little bit. Oh man, you need to smell this. You need to smell this. You need to smell this. I mean, I eat all the type of fish. I like fishing, but this smells like perfect. I'm first time even catch this one. So just grill a little bit this lavash like this, and it's ready. So we take this shampoo, and then we just put this lavash here, and then one by one you just pick up like that and squeeze it nicely out like that. Just take this fish, just release it a little bit, and then right here another shampoo. Right here guys, watch. This is amazing fish. I can see it already. And when it's ready, you just sprinkle some onions, some herbs, fresh cut herbs on it like this, like that. And voila, it's ready. Tasting time. Oh, salad is now ready. I'm gonna prepare the salad right now for you guys. Here, let me do it. So this is the salad. My mom cleaned it already. So you take this. And just cut it in the big chunks, like this. Just take this out, take the skins out. Like this. Okay guys, with my open heart and empty stomach, the time come to test this beautiful grass carp right here, and then this beautiful salad, veggie salad. We have add the butter there, and sorry it was getting dark. I had to figure out some lighting, but it's beautiful. I mean, it's just like you have to just mix all this stuff. It's fresh, and then let's see. I'm gonna taste it. Looks beautiful. I mean, this one I tasted before, yeah, but because this is like super Armenian food, we do this all the time. But grass carp, I never tried. So let's take a piece of those right here, okay. And then I'm gonna take the most bony piece. So let's see. Oh my god, it's just, watch, it's just like falling in the pot. Look at it, it's just steaming. Unbelievable. Let's test this. Unbelievable. And then you just take the skin out like this. You don't need the skin. And then watch this, it's just bouncing. What is this? Oh, see? You need to find the bone and take it out. And it's kind of smoky, nutty and rusty smell. Let's see. You know, it's like, oh my God, it's just like a different. You know, it's just like a between, I don't know what it's between crocodile and frog leg meat, but it's different. It's very tasty and it's very nice. I mean, it blows my mind, guys. Highly recommend you. And then also you can try with the eggplant like this, and we try also a little onion. There's bone inside. Don't be rushed. Oh my God, this is, I mean, this is like, just blows my mind. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Just take a little on the lavash. Just put a little bit tomato here. Just put a little bit this grilled onion. And cheers. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you like it, show me some thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. I promise I'm gonna give you even better content on my next video. It's coming. Have a good night wherever you are. Take care.